Hello everybody, just a real quick demonstration on how I magnetize a screwdriver. I learned this back in electronics class in high school. Have a dead speaker from the 81 Chevy Silverado mounted up here. I'll take a screwdriver and just pull it one direction, turn it about a quarter turn, pull, quarter turn, pull, away, quarter turn, pull, and do that as much as you think is necessary. And then there's a drywall screw right there. Screwdriver's magnetized now. Let's do that again to prove that works. Here's another screwdriver. Not magnetized. Go back over to the dead speaker. Pull, quarter turn. Pull, quarter turn. Pull, quarter turn. Pull, quarter turn. And just do it several times. Now we'll go back over to this same screw. Screwdriver is now magnetized. Thank you for watching.